In this video, we'll show you we created a fully automatic student report card in Excel. This system is ideal for small schools, tuition centers, coaching institutes, private academies. No expensive software, no internet required, works fully offline. Easy for non-technical staff, reusable every academic year. Even a basic Excel user can operate this system. This report card is fully customizable. Data safety and control. You can also protect this datasheet using Excel sheet protection. Teachers, enter marks only admin, full control. This keeps data safe and structured. So this is not just a report card design. This is a complete student result management system built only in Excel. No software, no coding. Fast, accurate, professional, and affordable for any institute. Let's jump in. Overview of final report card. Let me first explain the top section of this report card. Here we have the school branding, including the school logo, school name, and complete contact details. On the right side, we've added a QR code, which can be used to link the school website or verify student results. This entire report card is fully customizable. Now let me show you how the student details update automatically. We just selected the roll number from this dropdown. The moment we change the roll number, Excel automatically pulls the student details. There is no manual typing here. Everything is connected to the backend datasheet. This ensures accuracy, saves time, and avoids human errors. Now let's look at the most important section, subject-wise marks. For every subject, you can see the subject code, subject name, total marks, and passing marks. The obtained marks are pulled directly from the back-end datasheet. The percentage is calculated automatically for each subject. Next, grade logic. Based on the percentage, grades are assigned automatically. Next, pass, fail logic. Now look at this subject, science. The student scored 40 marks, but the passing marks are 45. So Excel automatically marks this as fail, highlighted in red with a cross. All other subjects are passed and shown in green with a tick mark. This is real-time roll number-based automation. Why this section is important. This makes the report card clean, professional, and 100% reliable. Next, now let me show you one of the smartest features of this report card. This performance summary is not typed manually. How it works. Excel automatically analyzes all subject marks. It finds the best performing subjects and also identifies the subject where the student needs improvement. Let's see live behavior. If we change the roll number 105, this summary text changes automatically for every student. No typing, no editing. In this case, the student performed excellently in English and mathematics, but the lowest score is in computer science. So Excel automatically generates this sentence. This is extremely useful for teachers and parents. They immediately understand the student's strengths and weaknesses in one line. Next, let's see how Excel automatically calculates the final result, total and obtained marks. The total marks are automatically calculated by summing all the subject-wise total marks. The obtained marks are automatically calculated by summing the marks the student has actually scored in each subject. Next, final percentage. The overall percentage is calculated automatically. So whenever subject marks change, this percentage updates instantly. Above, performance level. Based on this percentage, Excel also assigns a performance level. Next, division system. First class, second class, third class. All calculated automatically from percentage. Final result logic. Now this part is very important. If a student fails in even one subject, the final result becomes failed. It doesn't just calculate marks. It applies academic logic. And the moment we change the roll number back, everything switches back to passed. There is one more option in this report. If we simply press Ctrl+P, this report automatically opens as a proper printable format. You can directly print it or save it as a PDF and share it with parents or management. Now let me show you the backend datasheet. where all this logic comes from. This is where teachers or admin staff enter marks, and the entire report card updates automatically. Let me show you a live example. Teachers only need to enter marks. Everything else is automatic. Roll number selection. Excel finds the matching student, pulls all subject marks automatically. Updates. Final result. Change marks in Backend. Switch to report card. Show instant update. No manual editing, no copy-paste, no recalculation. This is the real power of Excel automation. If you want to learn how to build this report card, like this video and comment, "Make this project." Once we reach 1,000 comments and 500 likes, we'll create the full tutorial from scratch. More real-world Excel automation projects are coming. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.